has been chosen as one of our winners. Congratulations! No! But we have a trio of zombie family, if you can come up. You gotta do the zombie walk! Good job, zombie! Walking alive! First of all, I want to say Parks and Rec did an excellent job out here tonight. It's really hard to say how many people walked through our trail for zombie, but it was exciting. We also have pumpkin carving, and we definitely want to say thank you to two of our major sponsors. That's Walmart and Forever Snowy. We want to thank them for the gift cards that we were able to give out to our costume winners tonight. And most important, thank you to all the residents that came out here with their kids and had a blast. And don't forget, in our city, it starts in parks.